Hello friends, welcome to Determination. This question has two parts. In the first part you have to find out the value of resistance, and in the second part you have to find out the time taken for 95% of the stored energy to be dissipated. So let's begin. First of all, let's draw the circuit for t is equal to 0 minus. At t equal to 0 minus, the circuit attains steady state. So the inductor will act as a short circuit. So the circuit consists of 120 volt source, 20 ohms resistor, inductor is short circuited, and then the 40 ohm resistor. The current flowing through this loop is IL of 0 minus. So we can write that IL of 0 minus will be 120 upon 20 plus 40, which is 120 upon 60, which is equal to 2 amperes. And we also know that inductor does not allow instantaneous change in current. So IL of 0 plus will be equal to IL of 0 minus, which is equal to 2 amperes. Now let's draw the circuit at t is equal to 0 plus, which consists of the resistor R, 20 ohm resistor, and the coil, which consists of a 10 Henry inductor and the 40 ohm resistor. The voltage across this coil at t is equal to 0 plus is given to be 120 volts, and the current flowing through the loop is IL of 0 plus, that is 2 ampere. Hence we can write that 20 plus R into 2 will be equal to 120 volts, as they are connected in parallel with the coil. So we can write that R will be equal to 60 minus 20, which is equal to 40 ohms. Now the initial energy stored in the inductor will be equal to W naught, which is equal to half into L into IL of 0 plus the whole square, which is equal to half into 10 into 2 square, which turns out to be 20 joules. Since 95% of the initial energy is dissipated in the resistors, the remaining energy will be equal to 5% of the initial energy, which is equal to 0.05 into 20, which is equal to 1 joule. Now let's draw the Laplace circuit for t greater than 0. So it will consist of the resistor R, which is equal to 40 ohms, 20 ohm resistor, a voltage source of magnitude L into IL of 0 plus, which is equal to 20 volts, and the inductor, which is 10s, and the resistor 40 ohm. Let the current be I of s. So by KVL we can write that minus 60 into I of s plus 20 minus 10s into I of s minus 40 into I of s is equal to 0. Therefore I of s into 100 plus 10s is equal to 20. Therefore I of s is equal to 2 upon s plus 10. By taking the Laplace inverse, we get I of t is equal to 2 into e raised to minus 10t. Since the energy remaining in the inductor is 1 joule, so half into Li square will be equal to 1 joule. That is, half into 10 into I square is equal to 1. Hence I will be equal to 1 upon root 5. But we know that I of t is equal to 2 into e raised to minus 10t. Therefore 1 upon root 5 is equal to 2 into e raised to minus 10t. Hence t is equal to 1 upon 10 ln of 2 root 5. and the value of t turns out to be 0.15 second. So this is the correct answer for the time taken by the inductor to dissipate 95% of the energy in the resistors.